Hello and welcome to my channel, and in today's video we'll be talking about the words from the Barron's IELTS Essential Words. Barron degan odam yozgan IELTS Essential Words degan kitobni davom ettiramiz in this video. So stay tuned. Demak, this is the continuation of the unit 2 from the history of the circus. Circus yani sirkning tarixi degan mavzu haqida ekan. The first word ancient. Ancient bu qadimiy degan ma'noda keladi. The city is famous for its ancient architecture. Ancient yozilar ekan, qadimiy tarixi bilan juda mashhur, arxitekturasi bilan. Next word. It's like band. Band yoziladi, shunaqami? Bu shunchaki musiqa gruppa ma'nosida. Buni allaqachon bilsanglar kerak. Next word. Century. Century yoziladi, asr. Buni ham bilish ehtimollari juda katta. Misol uchun, the castle was built in the 15th century. Asr, o'sha qasr 15-asrda qurilgan. Develop so'zini ham bilamiz. Develop bu rivojlantirish ma'nosida, qurish ma'nosida bo'lishi mumkin. Har xil ma'nolari bor. Scientists continue to develop new technologies. Yangi texnologiyani qurishda olimlar davom etyapti. Next word, entertainment. Entertainment bu shunchaki ko'ngilxushlik ma'nosida. The television remains a major source of entertainment. Televizor asosiy ko'ngilochar narsa, ko'ngilochish nimasi, ya'ni manbasi sifatida qolyapti ma'nosida. Shu remain so'ziga e'tibor beramiz. Remain yoziladi, qolmoq ma'nosida bo'ladi. Buni ko'p ishlatasizlar IELTSda. Next word, exhibit. Exhibit yoziladi. Exhibit bu shunchaki bu tarixiy ko'rgazma ma'nosida kelayotgan ekan, ya'ni ko'rsatish, bir narsani ko'rsatish, oshkor qilish. Exhibition degan so'zni eshitgansizlar, exhibition yoziladi, shunaqami? Exhibit o'shani namoyish qilish, ko'rsatish ma'nosida. The museum will exhibit rare historical objects. Ya'ni tarixiy, qadimgi, noyob tarixiy narsalarni ko'rsatar ekan muzey. Next word, exotic. Exotic yoziladi, exotic o'qiladi. Exotic bu shu, ya'ni exotic boshqa joyda o'sadigan ma'nosida. Tourists were fascinated by the exotic plants. O'sha exotic hayvon nimalardan, plant o'simliklardan turistlar hayratda qolishdi. Find so'zini o'tgan zamoni yoki ikkinchi ma'noda found tashkil qilmoq ma'nosida bo'ladi. For example, Uzbekistan was founded in 1924. O'zbekiston 1924-yilda tashkil topilgan, misol uchun, toptirilgan. Grandeur yozilar ekan. Grandeur degani hayratlanarli, hashamatli ma'nosida. Bu yerda ulug'vor degan ekan. Yaxshi. Visitors were impressed by the grandeur of the palace. Hashamatidan hayratda qolishdi tashrif buyuruvchilar. Next word, massive. Massive bu katta degan ma'noda kelyapti. Ulkan. The project required a massive amount of funding. Bu loyihaga juda katta miqdorda pul kerak. Next word. Eshitasizlar, lekin tarjima qilmagan bo'lsanglar. Permanently yozilyapti. Permanently butun umrga degan ma'noda. The artwork will be displayed permanently in the gallery. O'sha san'at asari galereyada bir umr ochib qo'yiladi degan ma'noda, ko'rsatiladi. Next word, popular. Popular mashhur degan ma'noda. Football is extremely popular among young people. Yoshlar orasida futbol o'ta mashhur degan ma'noda kelyapti. Next word, reduce. Reduce yoziladi, reduce. The new policy aims to reduce pollution levels. Yangi qonun mana bu ifloslanish darajalarini kamaytirishga maqsad qilyapti. Next word, remnant. Boyga remain so'ziga o'xshab ketadi. Remnant qoldiqlar ma'nosida. Only a small remnant of old wall remains. Ya'ni faqatgina kichkina qoldig'i qolibdi eski devorni. Renovation degani yangilash ma'nosida. The building is closed for renovation. Yangilash uchun imorat yopildi. Next word, spectator. Spectator bu ko'rish ma'nosida, o'sha tomoshabin ma'nosida. Each spectator received a program booklet. Yes, har bitta ko'ruvchiga, tomoshabinga programmani kitobchasini berishdi. Shu dastur kitobchasini berishdi. Next word, survive. Survive yoziladi. Survive omon qolish. Few ancient structures have survived to this day. Bir qanchagina qadimiy strukturalar shu kungacha saqlanib qolgan. Next word, talent yozilyapti. Talent bu shunchaki talant. Ya'ni bu yerda qobiliyat deb tushunamiz. She has a natural talent for music. Uni musiqa uchun o'ziga xos talanti bor. Next word, trainer. Trainer allaqachon bilamiz, bu shug'ullantiradigan ma'nosida. The last word is venue. Venue yozilyapti. Venue degani joy ma'nosida, biror narsa o'tkaziladigan joy. The concert venue can hold 5,000 people. Konsert joyi 5,000 ta odamni o'ziga sig'dira olar ekan. This was the end of this video. Thank you for your time.